Engineer Divya Divagar, you are welcome to welcome speech. You are active, beloved, talented. General convener is coming. Clap your hands. Good.
Very good evening, all. Good evening. Oh, what a moment. So it's with great pride I am standing in front of you. It's eyes are getting filled. That much happy I am. Because when we were dreaming about this 2 months back, we never expected we will be making it to this extent wherein we are getting these many engineers, that are well-versed engineers, and the right apt person to be as a chief guest for this event. And very good evening all, and I am officially moving on to my welcome speech since our chief guest is rushing towards his flight today. So this is a great honored moment for all of us, for ICEC especially, which was formulated for civil engineers, professionally qualified civil engineers who are very keen in knowledge gaining, knowledge sharing, and professionally, ethically practicing in our profession. We all are know that professional networking is not an option these days. If we are planning to grow to a higher extent by gaining knowledge, not only just by information, as our chief guest was mentioning today, it is mandatory to have collaborated with all the civil engineers who are very keen in knowledge gaining through professional bodies like this. So with great honor, welcoming you all for this exclusive ceremony wherein we ICEC, which is a newly formed Indian Civil Engineers Association who had established there in Kerala, is spreading its wings globally. And first of all, this is our first international platform wherein we are launching in UAE. There is very specific reason why we have selected UAE as one of our first international forum formulation place. Because as we all know, as we all civil engineers know, UAE is a country wherein it is a welcoming country. Let it be in the case of freedom of expression, ethical practicing, and it is not only welcoming Indian engineers, it is welcoming all globally qualified engineers to excel well here, to develop their infrastructure, their buildings, construction, and even their country's growth. Today, we have with us one of the prominent personalities in UAE who is very well versed in his profession and the right apt person for being the chief guest of ICEC. Because when we started in Kerala, we got yet another prominent personality in India, who is the Metro Man of India, Dr. E. Sridharan, as our chief guest when we launched. So right now, when we are launching our first international platform, we have our honorable, respected Professor Dr. Hanif Al Ahmad with us, who is a PhD holder in construction management. He is well-versed in medical sector, law, but he is very, very keen in construction sector because he is very aware of the infrastructure boom happening in his own country. And during our initial discussion we were having there, he was telling this is the right platform and this is the right time for any association to step into UAE because they are awaiting an association like this wherein it is selflessly supporting all the civil engineering community, not only looking out for individuals' benefits. So he had promised us he will be introducing ICEC to government authorities. We do have engineering associations here, government official bodies are there, and he will be introducing ICEC to the government officials to have a collaboration, and through ICEC engineers, civil engineers from India will be getting an easy channel to step into construction sector here. So that is not a small promise given to us. It's a big thing, and he had promised to arrange the meeting as early as possible. So that is the biggest achievement VICEC is getting today by having the privilege of getting his confirmation, because it was very difficult to get his schedule, and by finding his time, he had made our day very grateful. And hearty welcome to you, sir, from each one of us. Can we all give a standing ovation to him? Thank you, sir. Welcoming you to the event. And in short, I would like to welcome each one of you, especially there are 20 civil engineers, qualified civil engineers who are serving various positions in ICEC, traveled all the way from Kerala to Dubai, which is by spending their own money to support all the civil engineers here in UAE, which is not a small thing for us, because that shows the commitment, the passion for their own field, and the commitment towards this sector, by which extending their support for the benefit and growth of ICEC here in UAE. And this is not a small day for us. By finding your own time on a Sunday, in this evening, you have came here all across through this traffic to support us, because you are very well aware of the vision we have set in. It is not a profit-oriented association wherein we are collecting a lot of money for the registration or membership fee and all. It is not at all a profit-oriented association. You all can be part of it. You all can welcome your civil engineering friends. The only condition is minimum graduation in civil engineering is mandatory to get the membership here. So with this, I am extending my hearty thanks to those who have tremendously supported us, especially even without sleep for 2 days, even not being a civil engineer. There is a person who supported us, who is our PRO of our own Sharjah Indian School. Can you stand up, sir? He is not a civil engineer, but he is with us. He is supporting us, and his name is Abdul Aziz Muhammad sir, and he had promised one more thing: if at all you need any help in Sharjah Indian School, you can contact him. And thank you so much for supporting us, welcoming you to the event, sir. And there is one particular person who tremendously supported from the beginning of the time when I said we need a person who's renowned in the sector, Ms. Rekha Rajiv, who is the estimation and costing manager in Gulf Precast Company. Not with us today, but thank you, ma'am, remembering her name. And our previous chairman, Shinoj sir, our zonal chairman, though he is not here, Anil K. Matthew sir, our present PRO, Ashraf sir, our honorable, the most energetic chairman, Sajan sir, and our previous convener, Rahi sir, Nawaz sir, all the chapter members, all the chapter chairmen, everyone who traveled across, and even the ICC coordinators, Nawaz sir and Manoj sir. Oh my God, words won't be sufficient to thank you for that, and welcoming you all to this event. We will have a great day, and with this note, I'm welcoming each one of you, and we will hear from our chief guest immediately without wasting much time. We have to send him off to the airport. Over to you, sir. Thank you so much for coming.